want to share a delicious recipe with y'all.
John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believe on him should not perish but have everlasting life. And then John 3:17 says, for God sent not his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved. God bless you.
Amen.
Guys, today we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies.
Well, we got some, I think it's baking soda and salt. And this is flour and some vanilla extract and some eggs and some butter, which we accidentally had a little mess when that stinker pot over there, Juby. It caused a little mess earlier. And then there's this brown sugar, which is like
And
a whitish
white
brown
sugar.
and white sugar. Don't interrupt me. I'm Spider-Man. I'm probably 100 years old. Stop laughing. Oh, hey, I'm going to get you. Stop that.
We will have the recipe in the description box below.
We're gonna mix this up. Our dry ingredients, there's the salt, which salt is pretty tasty, but don't eat it too much, because it's very dangerous.
Baking soda, don't forget that, Target.
I wonder if you could, you know what kind of soda that you can bake? Baking soda. Dun 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 dun.
Whisk.
And now I'm going to use the force to move this thing.
Because he doesn't use his hands.
You don't use your hands. I better mix this up. Why are you mixing it up? I'm supposed to, that's my job. Why is it your job to mix stuff up? I don't know. Stop it, Mr. Astronaut! I don't know. I'm going to chase him all around. If you don't mix up the baking soda really well in the recipe, it'll just ruin it. Merry Christmas. Ah! I better not get mixed in this.
Okay.
Well, at least I got out. That's a good thing. Ah! Stop that, Juby. We have a stinker. We have a silly goose. He's always trying to play with mixers. He likes mixers, elevators, lawnmowers, leaf blowers, and hedge trimmers. And these are gonna taste good when we're done. Da, 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 da. You need the spoon? Well, at least say thank you.
Hold that.
Spoon on me.
Hold that.
You like monster trucks? Well, I guess they're all. And now we're gonna mix this up. Make sure to mix it well.
So it won't splash everywhere.
Oh, and Harold ain't here. He's
Those are
doing
good
something.
chocolate chips.
Don't eat them all. You'll ruin the recipe.
I love chocolate chips.
This thing is vibrating underneath my feet, I think.
Now give it. No. Good hot.
Oh my
Megatron
goodness.
ain't here to cause confusion and delay. That's for sure. Check out other videos.
Turn it on, Rosie.
Okay.
You want me to cut the ingredients with my axe?
Jimmy!
Ah!
Jimmy! No!
Green mixer.
Plug it up, Rosie. One egg at a time.
Now, Amber, watch this right here. Put your
I
hand over it.
will.
Isn't that nice mixing?
No, Bubba.
We're having fun making sugar cookies.
No,
Where did my head go?
it's hot. Grab a
Magic
chocolate
trick.
chip. It's hot.
Okay, time to add the next eggy weggy.
Comment down below what's your favorite kind of cookie.
Okay.
And do you know what kind of cookies? You know how I like my chocolates? I like them black. And I like black cookies. So I would like black chocolate chip cookies. These will probably be good, even though they're not entirely black. One. And now we are going to pour in our vanilla extract. This is going to make it taste vanilla-y.
I know.
Vanilla-y.
Oh my goodness.
What's wrong with saying that, Spider-Man? I'm a Lego actor.
Ah!
First video.
Got it on
You
my
better be a nice
eyebrow.
guy. I don't even have my lightsaber. Yeah,
Now
but
I'm
you
gonna
do
smell
have
like
the
vanilla.
And Juby is doing his happy dance.
No, you
Stay away
no.
from that young man.
I think this is done.
These are good.
Okay, now you have to check.
We got a.
Oh my
chocolate.
goodness.
Ooh, that looks good. I could just taste it. That's delicious.
Put raspberries in the blender.
Be ready,
Oh
Rosie.
man, that is good.
Turn it on.
Oh, I got some in my eye.
Oh, no. Tastes like butter.
Turn it
I
up.
have to keep this guard because my little brother, Juby, loves mixers.
Wait a second.
I have to guard the plug because of my little brother.
He likes to play with the mixer.
Is this enough?
Turn it
Wonder if
up.
that tastes good, but I'm not gonna plunge my face in it
Wanna
like that would
turn
be.
it up to half?
Might need to
We got
turn it
it.
up to high, Rosie. A little. Like I turned it up to 10 to mix it up.
Make sure you don't. Just remember to be very careful and don't use any dangerous chemicals.
Oh my goodness!
Remember not to go too fast either, because it goes all over the place, and you don't want that. No,
I remember.
you definitely don't.
I
want that.
remember one time we were making something. We were baking, and the whole thing of the thing that was in the mixer, it went up, and it splattered.
Oh.
No!
Watch it, Judy. You're gonna
I
cause
gotta
a
plug
huge
it.
mess, which will ruin the camera and everybody else in flour, and then we'll all scream
I guess
and get angry at you.
I can't stop beating it.
And I'm a Volkswagen Beetle.
I think
and
I
I'm
added a little
futuristic
too
boy.
much.
Wanna buy the
Too much?
I just take this. I think I'll just add
Don't use too much flour. You could ruin the recipe.
Wanna buy
Forever.
Is this okay?
Wanna buy
Ruining the recipe is a serious offense, young lady. You could go to jail for that.
Okay, here you go.
Wanna buy a cookie?
He always wants a bite of
Joey
cookies.
loves the cookie.
People like to sample the cookies, so make sure the eggs or any other ingredients aren't out of date.
Here, take a taste.
You want me to take a taste? All right.
It tastes delicious.
Raw
It's
egg.
really-
Ah!
It tastes like butter more than. Oh my
These cookies will probably be so good, they'll make a puppy pull a
everywhere.
cookie.
The
Drop it.
spatula because someone.
Wanna buy the
Scrape,
cookie?
scrape, scrape. I love milk chocolate. My favorite candy is milk chocolate. I love chocolate. I'm a big fan of chocolate.
Wanna buy
Sweet
a
and
cookie?
Vanilla's better.
No, it's not. No, it's
Yes,
not.
it is. Vanilla is better than chocolate.
Chocolate, milk chocolate's more better.
All right, we got 3 arguments here, and I'm going to have to do my hand signals.
This is great.
Slow down. Slow down. We're gonna get pulled over by the cookie making police. Oh, that thing's going fast.
Okay, I think we're good.
What is this thing? We ought to put this thing in a race car motor or
Okay,
something, make it go really fast. Ooh,
need
this
that
thing is
together.
gonna taste so good. I could
I need to scrape
I
it
could
down.
try eating that.
Wanna buy the cookie?
Oh, I bet it's so good.
I think it needs one more mix,
I'm
or
floating in the air.
because I see some flour still.
No, it's perfect. Wanna buy
Flour?
the cookie?
Are you sure you
Wanna
see
buy the cookie?
flour?
Okay, here.
Because if you're lying, you're speaking with a fucking tongue.
Wanna buy the cookie?
That means
Wanna
you're
buy
lying.
the cookie?
I think in English.
Wanna buy the
language.
cookie?
You always want to buy a cookie, Juby. Now remember,
No.
smile,
You'll
Juby.
get the beater. You'll Smile. Smile. He won't try.
So we just poured our milk chocolate chips in there.
Wanna buy a cookie?
And remember and make sure the chocolates or any other ingredients aren't out of date because it could cause health problems or maybe even harm. I don't know, but it could.
Wanna buy the
It could. So make sure your stuff is not out of date because it could cause harm issues. I don't know, but I'm not a doctor, but it could. It could. Yeah, it
These are
could.
gonna be so good. You guys want some?
Isn't this a nice video of us not punching each other constantly? Yeah, we actually are getting along for once. Ah, don't get it all over me. Do you know how expensive I am? I'm like $1 bazillion.
Oh well,
Really?
it's delicious. Now try some.
If it's delicious, then it's nutritious. Don't put, you're teasing me.
Oh my goodness,
That's
my
it.
arm hurts.
I'm gonna have to wipe my eyes out. Oh dear,
What time, Dr. Vader?
I guess.
Want a cookie?
I'm at 375 for 9 minutes, and then we enjoy.
God bless you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Ah.
Feed you.
Okay. Hello.
Wanna turn on VeggieTales? One look like a stalk of hay. You know how they tie hay
Go back
around
to the
together?
front, Jimmy.
And one looks like an alien spaceship.